I have developed an incredible cleanse that I have experienced twice, and literally thousands of others have joined me, and it has been the best journey of cleansing that I've ever experienced in my life. One of the things I noticed about my body when I turned 50 was things started to inflame, like just get big. And I thought, oh my God, I'm fat, I need to lose weight. All these things started coming up. I need to run on the treadmill more. I need to watch my calorie intake. And it was really toxic, to be honest, the thoughts that I was having. This is nourishing you and warming you from the inside out. It's giving your digestive system a break with the recipes. A lot of the recipes are blended, which is freaking epic, which does one particular thing to the digestive system. It gives it a break. And what's really exciting about this cleanse, it has an intermittent fasting window in the second week. Eat, nourish, and restore. And that's the whole basis of the cleanse. I believe with all my heart that my body has completely transformed as I've gone through this process. And what's exciting about this is the weight loss started to happen in week 2. Absolutely cannot believe how they feel when they're doing this, and their husbands are okay with it too. The food is great for hubbies, and it's just been a win-win situation. So I'm going to take you through the back end of what it looks like. So I'm logged in my back end, and these are my classes, and I go to the 21-day cleanse. You'll notice the first video is a welcome video just here. Please watch that. It gives you a really good rundown. It goes for 5 minutes. You can speed me up and pause me and slow me down. To the right is a menu. Now, one of the genius moments of me creating this cleanse was creating my own inner health contract. What this inner health contract is designed to do is help you make a decision around your personal inner health contract. The reason why I focused on an inner health contract in this cleanse was to give me something to look at, to understand on my terms. It is my contract for me, to me. It's not based on anyone else. You're going into the menu just on the right here. It's got the home, the inner health contract, and then it's got the shopping list and the menu plan. It has week 1. If you click on week 1, it'll go straight to your personal shopping list for week 1. And there's a download button where you can download it. And there's a shopping list where you can tick off what you've bought. Genius, right? And that's week 1. Now I go back up to the menu and I go to what it looks like in week 1. So I go to breakfast, day 1. Breakfast, day 1. I just click the button. It tells me what's for breakfast: steel cut oats. It has a video on how to make steel cut oats. Now, steel cut oats are very different to rolled oats. They're very different to other oats. They're pressed whole oat groat, and they're like a scrubbing brush in the colon. It's amazing. And week 1 is all about eating. It's all about that. It's really incredible and really filling. So the video shows you step by step how to make it, and you don't have to watch the video if you don't want to. And the recipe is right there for you. It's right there for you to print out and download. And you can click on the bottom that you've shared the picture, or you've done a video in my Facebook group, or you've cooked this, and it gives you a reminder of what you've done. So you've always got that when you download it. Then I go back up to week 2. It's all about Nourish. So week 1 has breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And week 2 is all about nourishment, and it's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And the breakfasts in week 2 are all broths, and this is where the intermittent fasting window comes in. Because you get up in the morning, you have broth, you get to lunchtime. That's an intermittent fasting window. So this is really important, and this is where things start to calm down in the body and shift. You're warming the body from the inside out with a high mineral content broths. It's quite amazing. And you make these broths at home, and the videos are in here. Once again, the amazing recipe, and you can push, I've already cooked this, or I've shared it. You don't have to share it. A lot of people just email me in personally because they're not wanting to share anything, and I love that. And a lot of people want to share things, and I love that too, so it's completely up to you. In week 3 is all about restoring what we've done, having an understanding of the meals we've put in our body and what's next, to go through a process of deep connection and knowing that we've rested the digestive system. That's what restore is all about. By then you're up to 21 days. Now in the 21 days, there's some amazing videos from some incredible health coaches. Then I have a cleanse library in the menu. You click that, it goes straight to the 3 health coaches that are in the library. I have Kat Dawes, who's my spiritual teacher, has really helped me understand where my brain goes, how I work in my head, what I say in my head, the things I speak about myself and to others. She's a freaking genius. It's calmed my entire nervous system down. And then we have autoimmune specialist, transformation specialist actually, Phil Hoare, who's a freaking genius, who teaches me how to get more nutrients into my body, how I absorb food, swapping out certain supplements and using what he recommends. Game changer, and there's a video in there about that. And lastly is Dana Kahu, which was a big part of my cleansing experience, and that's all about lymphatic drainage. It's like turning on a tap. It's incredible, and you have access to them, and they're giving advice, and they have free videos, and you can even book in a call with them to have a free consultation. A free consultation with a health professional. That's just like, oh my God, I'm just so grateful that they're in here. In the corner, there's this other section just here called must watch videos within the cleanse library, and these are the ones I've pointed out. So if you don't want to watch all the videos in there, these ones you should be watching, because this will open your eyes up to things like how to deal efficiently with inflammation, how to make your body effectively absorb nutrients, losing weight versus detoxing, alkalizing your thinking. I love letting go. It's really incredible. This is a game changer of a cleanse. I'm so honored to be able to sit in front of you today and show you my before and after pics. And I'm so grateful that, you know, thousands of women have done this with me and continue to. And it's really helped us move on to different types of foods we're all eating personally, getting a deeper understanding of how the body can rest, especially after doing something like this, which brings it to the restoring process of the entire system. This is a game changer, especially the price. It's only $97, which is an absolute treat to all of us to be able to have something like this and to be able to access health coaches, to be able to access videos and content to help you go through the process. The meal plan and the shopping list is a game changer, and I cannot wait to see you in here. It works. I'm so proud to show you my before and after pics, and I look forward to seeing you in this incredible space.